How's it going, everybody? Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to go over how to select a replacement motor for your air conditioning condenser fan if you know it's gone bad. And of course, guys, if you're not comfortable with doing any of these repairs yourself, please consult a professional. The first thing you can do is find a direct replacement for your motor by checking out the model number on the outside panel of your air conditioning condenser unit. Normally there's a panel there where all of the wires are coming in. Just snap a picture of that and go to repairclinic.com. Again, repairclinic.com. Punch in your air conditioning condenser model unit and you'll see all of the replacement parts that are available for your unit. And the second thing you can do is check out the label that's on the motor itself. Now, it should be advised that a lot of us would have had these replaced by a generic one, but these are the specs you want to look at. You got your horsepower right here, so this is a 1/3 to 1/6, and I got my amperage right here, 2.0. Some other important specs you want to look at is the voltage. So this one is 208 to 230, and I also have my RPMs here at 1075. Well, alright guys, those are some quick important specs to look at when you're looking to replace your motor. Remember, you can go to repairclinic.com. I am not sponsored by them in any way, but if you're looking for a direct replacement, that's the place you want to go to. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.